Hello everyone, I just wanted to go over some hints and tips on the Chapter 16 Mastery problem that is due this week. It is a lot easier than students make it seem. You're given letters A through G in the book. However, on the form that we have given you to complete, which is in the classroom materials, we have completed letters A, B, and C for you. So the only ones you need to worry about are letters D through G and the adjusting entry. Please note that there will be two different journal entries for letter D. So you'll have two separate entries for $500. The amount that is going to go into the bad debt expense is 1% of the sale amount for Sam. So we know that the sales was $550,000. So we would take 1% of that, which is equal to $5,500 for Sam only. So once you get all the journal entries done, then you would ledgerize them. Or if you're more comfortable, you could put them in the ledger first and then transfer them to the journal. Letters D through G will be the same for both Sam and Robert. The difference comes in the amount that is assumed uncollectible or would go in the bad debt expense. For Robert, you have to fill out the aging schedule first. So on the aging schedule, you are going to actually count by months, not by days. So let's start with Beats, for example. In December, Beats purchased $8,500 worth of merchandise. So we would enter that into the not yet due column. In November, he purchased $1,200 worth of merchandise. So that would go into the 1 to 30 days past due column. Items purchased in October would go into the 31 to 60 days past due. So he purchased $2,300 worth of merchandise. And then you would total the row for each individual customer. So for the past 3 months, Beats has purchased $12,000 worth of merchandise. So that is how you would calculate it for each customer. You would go by the number of months. So November purchases would be 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days would be October, 61 to 69 would be September, and so forth. Now, the amount that will be journalized as bad debt expense would be $1,000 less than what you get for the total estimated uncollectible accounts. You're going to use $1,000 less than what you find because he has already assumed that $1,000 will be uncollectible. So since we are already assuming that $1,000, we just record $1,000 less. So for example, if you came up with $6,500 for the total estimated uncollectible, you would journalize $5,500. As an example, that is not the correct answer. So if you get that answer, let me know and we'll work through it together. That is really all there is to this week's assignment. If you do have any questions, please let me know. A lot of times students make this assignment harder on themselves than it actually is. So have a good day.